This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Wipe the area with a dry microfiber cloth along the grain to remove grit that could scratch. Next, spray a 1:1 white vinegar and water solution. Vinegar dissolves mineral deposits without harsh abrasives. Once sprayed, let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. This softens water spots so they lift easily. Make sure to work a small section at a time so the solution stays active and you can see progress immediately. Once the vinegar has loosened the deposits, scrub gently with a microfiber cloth or non-abrasive pad following the grain. This prevents scratches while removing residue. If spots persist, make a baking soda paste, about 1 tablespoon baking soda with a few drops of water, and rub lightly. Baking soda provides mild abrasion without damage. After scrubbing, rinse the area with clean water and dry thoroughly with a soft cloth. Immediate dry. You're finishing up. Apply a few drops of mineral oil or a dedicated stainless steel polish on a cloth and buff along the grain to restore shine and add a protective layer. Make sure to remove any excess oil so it doesn't attract dust. If you see streaks, buff them out with a dry microfiber cloth using light pressure. If water spots keep returning, check for a leaking ice maker, replace the refrigerator water filter, or reduce nearby humidity to stop repeated mineral buildup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.